Hi guys, this is John. Today we'll be submitting a long distance contracts over here. So this is the you're getting this from operation manager. This is additional details to the jobs related to here. All right, this is the first page. That's the bill of lading. That's how it have to be submitted. Names, pickup, destination. Make sure over here, job number again, the date, today's date, first available date. You gotta ask the customer when they first available. From that first available date, the delivery will take them up to from 14 to 21 business days. It depends what state they are going to. You need to confirm with your manager. So down here, you're putting a company, the agent company name you're getting from this page. So that's over here. This is the company. In this case, it's Sawgrass. Day city, Lake Forest, day phone number down here. So this signature, the first signature, forms of payment, we do take, it's explanation that we do take 20 or 30% for deposit, and then 50% on pickup and 50% at destination. And the destination, it has in writing only cash or US postal money order. Please ask the customer that they do understand that they need to pay only cash or US postal money order. So the space reservation, you're putting this at the last after you're picking up. So this signature, it's for understanding the whole contract. So you're gonna sign this after you're submitting all this information down here. So this is the cubes. This is the cubes, how much you're getting. 1,180 cubes, 330. So all these numbers, admin labor, all this 5% fuel discount, all you're getting from here, guys. All you're getting from here. If you see this is doesn't give you the cubes, so you divide this amount, divide to cubes, or you have additional paper where it shows $3.30 per cube. You're checking this down over here. If there's any additional basic estimate price, fuel surcharge, administrative labor, which is $2,700, and they're giving first time moving discount $750. So over here at the bill of lading, you're writing admin labor 27, 5% fuel you're taking out there, discount $750 as it says, and then deposit $23.52. Signs you have been paid over here $23.52, and you checking down here $23.52. All right, this is the part one. It's completed. We're moving to the next page, guys. This is everything you're doing at the beginning. So you must get the signature customer from here and the signature down over here. So that's the signature, and you explain this all these numbers in case if it's cubic feet goes over, so they may gonna have an additional fees, and you're putting how much extra per cube it's going to be. At this case, it's $3.30 per cube as addition, but you gotta always check with your manager how much per cube it's going to be, because usually this has this in writing. So this at this point, we keep continuing. So you explain this everything. The customer is asking, is there, do you think additional will be how much I need to pay? The 50% of the remaining total. You tell them that this is the estimate. If you see the job, it's actual on the estimate or even little less. You're telling that this is going to be as firm price, and if you see if you'll need any additional packing, it may apply. So just leave it as it is right now. You're not sure what is the exactly total will be. So they have to put a signature for understanding, and then they have to put the signature for understanding of the terms of the payment. So the next page you are moving to, this is the insurance form. So you explain this to the customer. Make sure you write this on the top the same way. You explain this to the customer. So the insurance, you have two options for the insurance. The first one, which is full value protection up to $25,000. It's gonna cover you with $500 deductible. This is gonna cost them as additional $1,750 just to get this full insurance. If anything gonna break, scratch, damage, they're gonna get reimbursed, or they're gonna get that fixed, but they're gonna be returned to the same condition. If they're saying they don't want to get, then they have to get the basic one, the basic coverage, which is everybody knows it's 60 cents per pound. It's only covering you 60 cents per pound for any scratches and damages, for any loss or missing items. Make sure they have this understand. So if the box will gonna get missed, only 60 cents. If the TV gonna get crashed, only 60 cents. If they don't want this insurance, then they have to purchase the first one. They have to pay you $750 right now. They're gonna have $500 deductible, meaning if the TV gonna break and they claiming to us, and if TV, that screen only will cost us $200, the TV the same model, then we're not responsible up to $500. If it's something over than $500, then we're gonna reimburse them up to $25,000. We're gonna continue on the next. So let's say they only picking up a basic insurance, but the basic coverage 60 cents per pound. That's not insurance, that's a violation. They only get 60 cents per pound. They must have to put the initial, they must have to write it 60 cents per pound per article. That's how it is. And then they have to sign. This is the insurance form. Every time we have to explain the customer. We have to ask them what option they want to get, the first one or the second one. We're going to continue to the next one. So the next page over here, this is in additional, in special services. This is additional special services. Please make sure you're submitting the way I did it right here. Agreed pickup date, the 6/25. Actual pickup date, today's date, the 6/25. First available date, you're asking the customer. If they're saying July 1st, then you counting this job is going to Florida. So all the terms I have explained on the mileage. Usually it's up to 21 business days or 14 business days. If it's to Florida, it's 14 business days. So I counted only Monday to Friday, no Saturdays, no Sundays. So delivery no later than July 20th. Please explain to them. And please, once you get back to the office, tell this to the manager, to your manager, that you have to explain them the delivery and it have to be no later than July 20th. Otherwise, we're gonna mess it up, the delivery. This is a stairs, elevator, lawn care, and shuttle services. So you have to explain them the place where they're moving to. If they're not even sure, they don't have the address, make sure they have an access for semi-truck to trailer. That's it, 75 feet, 53-footer trailer, 80,000 pounds. Please explain them this way. It's so important. If they don't have an access, then they might be an additional shuttle fee. They have to contact the office to see how much is the shuttle gonna cost them. But it says 70 cents per cubic feet. At destination or at the origin or at destination. But basically explain them. If you see a destination, they have stairs, elevator, lawn carry. So you apply down here. It also a destination, tell them that these charges they may apply through their our carrier services. If they have this understanding, the bulky item, the stuff over 250, whatever you guys be adding this additional stuff to the customer, you always have to inform your manager. Always you have to inform to the office first, and then we're gonna help you to explain this to the customer. And the customer signature, and that's your signature down there. All right, we're moving next. Almost there. So this is a packing materials charges order form. Make sure they're putting their name on top. Again, Illinois job, pickup date, first available date for delivery. See, every time on every contract, you're putting the first available delivery date. That's how it's so important. So you're putting your signature down here. You're asking customer sign here. What is this packing service means? This is the materials you'll be using it. This is the how much you'll be charging it for. The labor for the long distance never come in including as additional packing labor. So you can give these items to the customer. They're gonna pack themselves. You're not charging this for the packing service. In case if they're purchasing these boxes, then you pack them, you have to charge them. Like we don't charge for tape on some other stuff, but that's how you count your packing materials. We're moving to the next. The most important one, this is the inventory list. The inventory list have to submit it very properly. We're not sure how many pages it will be at this job. You're just putting one. You're gonna know exactly by the end of the job. Then you're gonna complete it by adding it over here. You put the name as you see there. Like, this is the explanation. Please read on the contract. Your number starts down from here: 0, 1, 10, 20, 21, 30, 40, 40, 50, 60, 80. It's so important that you guys have a stickers, which I'll be showing you on the next video how it's going to be look like. Thank you so much.